So a lot of people are wondering how to check their new quarter class in Skyward. So this is what you do. You go online and you look up Skyward and it will show up. If you don't have it, look up skyward.com and then that should show up. So you press login, and then I've already logged in, but what you have to do is you need to put your regular school ID, which is your first 5 letters of your last name and your first 3 letters of your first name, and then 000, and that's all you have to do. You don't have to add the @ISD and then whatever your password is. And then once that's done, you choose Minnesota, and your district is 482. Search, which would bring you to the Family and Access login, which would then need you to put your login ID again, which will, or maybe that's the first time, and then so it should look like that, and then whatever your password is. And then you sign in, and then it should do this. It does this for me. I don't know if it will do it for you, but all you have to do is just press retry, and then go to schedule, and there, right there is the one that your second quarter class is. So for me, it's period 2. For you, it could be period 1. That's how you check what quarter class it is.